welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today we are creating looks as if we were nominated for an Academy Award. I did recreate a look from one of the Academy nominations. Check out all their looks. I'll have all their information down below in the description bar. And if you would like to see what look I created based on one of the nominations, definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. My look, I am doing, of course, Angela Bassett, Best Supporting Actress in Wakanda Forever. But I'm going to, and I'll upload a picture, I'm going to be doing a look. I'm going to be doing the look from when she was, when they were like the scene, like they were in the courtroom, and basically she was telling them that she knew that they were trying to steal. She had her crew to bring those guys in, but her look was really soft, really feminine. She had a really soft eye. From what I can see on the picture, it appeared to be like a really soft cut crease. So that's what I'm going to do. Really natural colors, but I'm going to be using palette. Of course, I got from BoxyCharm the Pure Festival palette. Okay, so that's the palette I'm using today, and here are the colors. Of course, I'm going to be using the more neutral colors, nothing shimmery, basically these colors over here in the corner. These. So let's just go ahead and hop in. I'm going to be using eyeshadow primer Angel Eyes, which is another product I got in BoxyCharm. It is infused with Rose Extract. True and Luscious. Alright, so just gonna put one swipe of that on and hopefully transfer it over to the other eye. Seems to be plenty for me. So, question, are you guys going to be watching the awards, the Academy Awards, scheduled March 12th? Are you an Academy Award watcher? All right. Since this palette does not have like a softer crease color, I'm going to go in with this one first here. As you can see, I hit pan. Like all my eyeshadow palette, I've hit pan in all my transition colors because I use transition colors every day, just, you know, as a nice go-to look. I put that transition color all over my eye. That's in my crease and on my lid. Okay, so we're just gonna get that in there and then soften that crease up. Basically, we're erasing those harsh lines. Now, I'm going to go into the Pure palette, and I'm gonna go into this color here. I'm gonna blow that out, and then I might put a little bit of this, and then this color here I'm actually going to use on my lid. And I'm pretty much just going to target that right into the crease area just to give some dimension. I always start with a crease color, transition color, for the most part, unless I'm doing something a little crazy or something like that. But for the most part, I always start off with a crease color. All right, same thing for this. We just want to blow that out, erase those harsh lines. All right, and now I'm going to go into that darker color. It's just like a chocolate brown color. Oh, and it's so beautiful. It's such a rich brown. Look at that. This looks like fudge. All right, and same thing. I'm just pressing that in, creating an outline for my cut crease, which is not really gonna be, you know, one of those cut creases where, you know, you go back in with, you know, either eyeshadow primer or concealer. It's just a really, because this is red carpet, right? So we don't want anything too crazy. Just a soft cut crease, just a soft cut crease. So we're gonna blend that out as well. A really nice gradient. Again, and I'm not actually cutting the crease. My placement when I apply my eyeshadow is just gonna be that. We really just want this line here because, you know, we're gonna cover the lid. We're gonna cover the lid with eyeshadow. So we're gonna do that now. Her lid color, and I don't know, I might try to find something to go in on top of this, but her crease color was really very just neutral skin-like, but since this color is in this palette, I thought I'd give it a try. But even though it's pretty, let me see if I can put something a little bit more skin tone-like. All right, so I pulled out an oldie but goodie. This is a Makeup Revolution palette. I'm going for, I think, this color here, maybe even the one below it. Let's try that one. That one's nice. I will say that hers was definitely more, like you could tell hers was more like an actual cut crease. I'm gonna put a little bit of this color here underneath my lash line. You know, as I'm sitting here doing my makeup, you know, I'm just thinking, can you guys imagine being on a movie set and, you know, how many times, depends on, you know, obviously depends on, you know, what takes they're doing, but like, I haven't been on a movie set, but I have done makeup like for fashion shows and things like that. So as a makeup artist, as an artist, you really have to plan your looks. So say for instance, you know, if they're doing two different looks, like you really have to sit and think and plan, like what kind of look can you create first to either go over what you already done, or Lord knows, like if you have to like take something off and just start completely over. Like, can you guys imagine how much how much work that is? That's crazy, but I bet it would be fun though. I bet that would be fun. You know, especially, I mean, it's enjoyable for the artists too, but especially like for the client to have so many beautiful different looks created. And I'm still using my Better Than Sex little mini. You know, I don't know what other movies were like really nominated or anything like that, but you know, I looked at the list and you know, there's just not a lot of us. I didn't completely go down the list to see, you know, everything that was nominated, but you know, when I saw Angela Bassett, I'm like, okay. I mean, I would imagine that, I don't know what the other girls are doing, but you know, Black Panther movie is just, I think it's really personal for us, you know. There is a little bit of us in all of them, and I think it's just nice to be able to see something you can relate to on the screen, right? Yeah, so I really enjoyed the shoot. I mean, I've seen that movie three times now, and here in the St. Louis area, they our symphony is doing a live score of Black Panther, and it's definitely, I had never experienced going to a live score, you know, where the symphony is playing along with the movie. I did go a couple months ago, and I've never been a Star Wars fan, can not even relate to, you know, what has gone on in the whole, you know, plot of that whole series, but I did go experience a live score Star Wars, and I'm trying to remember which one it was, something with the Awakening. So anyway, long story short, but what I experienced watching that film and watching the symphony live, the symphony director, you know, this like just to see, and this was actually a young guy. I know he had to be like mid-20s, but I was just so in awe of watching him, you know, conduct the symphony and just get all into it. I'm thinking, wow, his arms must be sore. But it was such an experience. Like, I really, really enjoyed it. You know, going from watching the symphony and trying to watch the movie and the conductor, like, it was so much. But when I tell you, it was such an experience. I actually really loved it. So I plan to take my girls to see the live score of Black Panther, and I'm really excited about that. Anywho, this is my look that I have created. Let's get some lashes on. We want, you know, to wear some lashes that are Academy approved. We're not gonna walk the red carpet or anything like that with, you know, any overly dramatic lashes, but we just want something really nice and elegant. Let's get our lashes on. Let me get my glue. All right, just kind of place my lashes on there so it can get tacky. All right, here are my lashes. All right, so I'm going to do something with my hair, put on some clothes, find a lippy, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so put my hair up. All right, Kat Von D Everlast Liquid Lipstick. The color is Bow and Arrow. Want to make sure, you know, we are using a color that's going to last all night. This color is definitely a color that does not budge. Worn this to work and literally 8-hour shift is still on. My hair is up. This is my look. I don't want to have to change camera lenses, but maybe I'll put in a clip from my phone. So hold a second. All right, guys, so this is my look. Very soft, neutral, soft cut crease, if you will. All right, guys, so this is my look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, make sure you check out the girls. I have a link to their YouTube channels down below. All right, so that is it. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. Also, my second handle on TikTok, which is _BO40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.